day number 2, and we're going to the beach today, so wish us luck. Hello, darling. Ah, hello. Hello, Petra. Just getting ready to go. This little darling. You alright, darling? We have reached the beach and Miley's drooling like crazy because she does not like the car. Miley! Come on, Daddy. Miley! Hey. You want a treat, do you?
Yeah, she's tied me up.
You want to go and have a coffee or something else? I've got someone.
Oh, excellent.
Miley!
Thank you, Zoe.
Go out of your way.
Treasure it.
We worried when Petra did that because they're quite sharp. Stop. No. No. You got it?
Oh, look, another doggy friend.
Who's that, Miley? Who's that? Come on, Miley. Miley, don't be shy. Say hello. Oh. Hello, darling. She's not stupid, she's bloody clever.
She's okay, but she doesn't know, does she?
No.